Imagine you wake up one day and your favorite bluebird, Twitter, is replaced with a mysterious X. Sound intriguing? Stay tuned as we unravel the story behind Twitter's dramatic rebranding gamble. Hello everyone, I'm your host, Dr. Reem, bringing you another episode of your favorite podcast, ReemTech. This is the place where we explore the latest trends, disruptions, and innovations in the tech landscape. Today we're talking about something that's been buzzing in the tech world, Twitter's rebranding, a move that's seen as an everything or nothing gamble. We'll delve into the reasons behind this dramatic change, what it signifies, and the potential challenges that lie ahead. So let's dive in. Twitter, a platform that has been in our lives for over 15 years, has undergone a significant transformation. The familiar bluebird that we've all known is now replaced by a minimalist Art Deco X. This change has caused quite a stir, with some branding experts expressing that the charm of the bluebird has been wiped out by the somewhat ominous X. This change is not just a redesign. It is a complete overhaul of the brand's identity, led by none other than the world's richest person, Elon Musk. Musk's vision is to reinvent Twitter as a super app, a model that emulates the likes of China's WeChat, which has successfully integrated payments, e-commerce, and gaming capabilities into its platform. But the question remains, is this drastic change a stroke of genius or a recipe for disaster? The answer is not so simple. The new logo has been met with mixed reactions. While some see it as innovative and edgy, others perceive it as unwelcoming and threatening. On the business front, Twitter's rebranding comes at a time when competitors are circling like sharks. TikTok announced an expansion into text-only posts, and Mark Zuckerberg's Threads hit 100 million signups in its first 5 days. Amidst all this, Twitter's user numbers and advertising revenues have been in decline since Musk's takeover. Adding fuel to the fire, Musk's X rebranding could face legal difficulties. Tech rivals Meta and Microsoft already own intellectual property rights for the letter X, so this bold move might land Twitter in a legal quagmire. This story of Twitter's transformation is a reminder of how quickly things can change in the tech world. As techies, it's crucial to stay updated and adapt to these changes. If you loved this episode and want to hear more about the latest trends and disruptions in the tech industry, make sure to subscribe to ReemTech on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to share this episode with your friends who are as intrigued by the world of tech as you are. This is Dr. Reem signing off. See you next time.